Let me show you how you can add step counter data field on a walking exercise or any exercise on the Garmin Instinct 3 watch and also on the previous Instinct watches. So when it comes to step counter, Garmin really is one of the worst when it comes to the step counter. So I do not know any other watch brands that actually is worse when it comes to step counting. And also they have actually like removed the step count data from walking exercise altogether on the Instinct watch for some reason. So what the hell, Garmin? This is completely unacceptable in my opinion. So if you want to add this, we are actually going to need to download a third party like data field that we can actually insert in this watch. So thankfully someone has actually made a thing for this. So again, a lot of people are frustrated with this garbage. So we can go to the Connect IQ Store app and in the search, simply search for step counter maybe. So it will bring up these two apps essentially here. And you can download either of them. So I personally have downloaded this one. So there will be a button basically to download and install it on the watch. Then, okay, let me end this. And let me show you how you can add it as well. Okay, so before you start the exercise that you want, you have to click the menu button. And for example, let's click the walk settings over here. Click the data screens, select on which data screen you want to add this step counter basically. Then click edit with GPS. Then choose the field you want to edit, so I'm going to use this. And basically in these data fields you have to select this Connect IQ fields. So if you scroll basically down, somewhere it will be listed this Connect IQ. So these are all the data fields that we can essentially download from the Connect IQ store and use on this watch. So over here also, as you can see, you can get this app that I have showed you. So again, I also installed that other app, so I haven't tried it yet, but this one actually works. So if you add it, and basically when you walk, your step count also will appear here. And if you are wondering about step counter accuracy on the Garmin Instinct 3, then it's really just as terrible as on other Garmin watches. So when it comes to all major brands, big brands, basically Samsung, Huawei, Apple, Garmin really is dead last when it comes to accuracy. So when you walk in a straight line, it's completely fine. So and basically it's not a very hard task for any watch to count steps when you simply walk in a straight line and do not do anything else. But when it comes to walking maybe in short bursts around the house, it's completely pathetic. So just as bad as the Instinct 2 that I had. So if you are looking to purchase this watch for step counting, really forget about this watch and maybe get again maybe like one of the Samsung Galaxy Watch, Apple watches, or even the Huawei watches. Samsung and Huawei, I think from my experience, really are the best. So on this watch, essentially at the end of the day, basically you will see around 20 or 30% less steps than you actually take during the day, basically, as actually most of the steps you clock on are again when you simply walk around the house in short bursts, when you simply do something. So this is completely the worst watch there is. So I'm not even talking about the Instinct in general, but about the Garmin in general. So they have the worst step counters in the industry from my experience, and they're complete garbage. And yeah, they can't even provide this step count data field for walking exercise. What the hell? Anyway, yeah, I'm very frustrated when it comes to this stuff. Anyway, good luck.